Kapatid, picture this. Marami sa atin, palagi tayo nakatingin, looking at our problems, our miseries, mga concerns natin. Alam po nyo, if this is the water level, marami sa atin, we are below water. Your nose is below water. Ang hirap huminga, kasi palagi kang nakatingin dyan eh. What does the Lord tell you? Don't forget the up look. Once you look up, your nose is above water. You can breathe. Marami pong beses, we are not conscious, palagi tayong below water kasi nakayuko ka palagi. What is important is the up look. When you look up, your nose goes up and you can breathe. Don't forget the outlook. Sure, all these are important concerns yung nakikita natin sa mundong ito. But once you look up, nandiyan pa rin ang problems, whatever. But, iba na po eh. Magaan na eh. You know there's someone. There is someone greater than you and me. Huwag po natin kakalimutan si Lord.